guys, it's Wolf here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple mug cake. You can eat this when you go home from school and something. It's simple to make, but you gotta be careful not to make a mess. Just saying, with the vanilla extract and milk, they are the hardest parts of this thing, and cocoa powder part of the time. So enjoy. So first of all, you want to get like a big mug to put your ingredients in. So I recommend like this size. Yeah, this size. Okay, then you want to get like something like this. Your teaspoons and stuff. Okay, so first you're going to need all-purpose flour. You're going to need granulated sugar. You're going to need baking powder. And cocoa powder. Then you need your butter. Also going to need milk. Vanilla extract. And your Toll House Nestle chocolate chips, or whatever chocolate chips you want. They could be semi-sweet, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. They could be any chocolate chip brand, as long as they're chocolate chips. My friend had an idea. If you don't have any like chocolate chips and you have brownie bits, use those. But you want to use the correct amount that's given in this video. So first you want to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Then you want to add your 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. You want to add your 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, but I honestly think that's too much. So I would add like 2 teaspoons to like, since the cocoa powder is going to be unsweetened, I would add like 2 tablespoons or 1.5. Whatever you think you want to add, but like I think 3 tablespoons is too much, so add at most 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. Something like this so far. It's fine if you don't like, it's fine if it looks different, but this is just what it should look like when you pour everything in, like so far. So now you want 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And this stuff is so annoying once you get it on your hands, so be very careful. If you don't want anything, like you don't want a big mess, then be very careful. Just shake it off if there's too much. Don't use your hands. That's about as much as you're gonna get, like that's about it. Shake it off a little more. Be very careful so you don't shake the whole thing off or make a mess on your table. There you go. And don't worry if there's like a little bit inside, because there was obviously extra on top of that. Alright, there we go. Then our 2nd tablespoon. There we go. Okay, so next you need 3 tablespoons of butter. And since I already used 3 tablespoons already, I'm going to use 6 tablespoons, because 3 plus 3 is 6, obviously. Be very careful when using a knife. I'm just warning you guys, even if you may be a grown adult. If you're a little kid, then please be careful. Have a parent supervise you. Even when holding the knife, you could still cut yourself. Nothing off, obviously. And melt the butter. Make sure you got the plastic off the butter. You don't want any plastic in your food. No one does. There we go. And you have your butter. Let's smell it. Butter in a small mug. And put it in the microwave for 1 minute, 15 seconds. Okay, so cook time 115, power level 6. Have your melted butter. Pour all of it in. Next, you need 3 tablespoons of milk, and be very careful with this because this will make it soupy. So I suggest getting another bowl and then doing it over there with the tablespoon. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so pour the milk over this bowl. If anything extra comes out of it. That's exactly what I mean. You don't want extra. Then carefully bring it over to your bowl. Then you need 2 more tablespoons. Okay, so after you put your 3 tablespoons of milk into the mug, now you want your 3 teaspoons of chocolate chips. Okay, so after you did that, you want your 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And like I did with the milk, you want to do it over a bowl so it doesn't put too much in there. After everything is in the mug, stir it around until it's like batter. Okay, so now you're done with your mug cake, so use your microwave again. Put your mug cake into the microwave and do it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. While the thing is cooking, you just want to clean everything up.